Hi everyone, this is Maria Cherish Rapids from BSHM 4D. Today, we're going to look into the concepts of the product-service mix, a crucial part of service marketing. The product-service mix is the combination of both products and services that a company offers to its customers. It's all about ensuring that customer needs are met, both in terms of the product and the experience. But what exactly is a product? According to marketing expert Philip Kotler, a product has three parts: the tangible product, materials, and constructions. Extended product part, services. Generic product, the benefits. Example, a satisfied customer enjoying the coffee. In the world of hospitality, everything works together to satisfy the needs and desires of the customer. Let's break down the key components. First, we have goods, the tangible items offered by hospitality businesses, such as food, drinks, and furnishings. Next, we have services, the intangible elements like the professionalism and friendliness of the staff. Lastly, the environment, the intangible elements that includes the overall ambience, such as comfort, security, and a pleasant atmosphere. Components of hospitality products. Core product. The core product is the main benefit that customer seeks, like a pool resort offering swimming and relaxation, or a night bar providing entertainment. Facilitating products are essential goods or services that must be present for the guest to enjoy the core product. Tangible products are the physical representation of the basic products, such as a cottage and a pool in a resort. Supporting products add value and help differentiate the offering, like additional amenities provided in a resort. Augmented products complete the total offering, like after-sales service, transportation, and delivery. Hospitality customers seek various forms of satisfaction when choosing a product or service. These include physiological, economic, social, and psychological satisfaction. Physiological satisfactions are the basic needs that the hospitality product fulfills. Economic satisfaction is about how much value a customer feels when they get compared to what they spend. Psychological satisfaction is about how customers feel about their experience. What makes a hotel stay satisfying or dissatisfying for guests? Let's explore the key components that contribute to the guests' experiences in hotels. These are the location, facilities, service, and image and price. How do companies create successful products? Let's explore the key stages. Product planning is the ongoing process of identifying market needs to define a product's features. It guides decisions on price, distribution, and promotion. Product development involves creating new or improved products with unique characteristics that offer additional benefits to customers. What are the product lines and product mixes, and how do they shape the company's offerings? Let's find out. Product line. A product line is a group of related products intended for similar uses, functioning in a similar way. For example, men's accessories or home appliances. Product mix. A product mix or product assortment is the complete list of all products a company offers. It includes various product lines under one brand. Explore the essential aspects of packaging and labeling in product planning. Packaging involves designing and producing containers or wrappers for products. Containers are used for liquids, while wrappers are for solid products. And there are three packaging strategies: the family packaging, the reuse packaging, and multiple packaging. Labels carry verbal information about the product or seller and help inform buyers about the product's contents. And there are three types of labels: brand label, grade label, and descriptive labels.